Yo, what's up guys? In this video I'm showing you guys a way that you can go about creating ebooks or certain resources, however way you want to go about it. It's going to be a really short video, nothing too crazy. As you can see, it's only 3 modules, but essentially what we're doing is going into a Google form, getting a submission, using those answers into ChatGPT to create the content for the ebook, and then using that data and content to fill out a template in Google Docs. So let's get right into it. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. So first module is Google Forms, and essentially for Google Forms, you're just collecting data. So how many pages, what are the topics, etc. Right? And you can do this in a way where it's not so bait in a sense, where essentially you can put out a form and say, oh look, what type of business are you, type thing, right? And then you're going to make a document or a ebook based on that person being an agency or a SaaS or anything like that, right? It's really up to you how you want to do it. But obviously you can do it in different ways. You don't have to explicitly say, oh, this form is for creating ebooks. You can do it as like a lead magnet from like the general information you get from different businesses. So you can do it in that way if you want to, but it's really up to you. So yeah, that is that. Then you've got ChatGPT, OpenAI, and what I've got here is create an ebook. I'm not going to read through this because I'm not going to be able to. But essentially, you've got the title being something. The ebook will be about a certain topic, cover certain details here. Chapters you're writing about this audience, and tone of voice, right? So you can use all of this, and then essentially only output the content of the book. So there are some things when you get outputs from ChatGPT, you might have like asterisks, which is going to make the things bold, but when you copy and paste that into Google Docs, it will be in asterisks and it won't be bold. So just keep that in mind. You might have to like do some testing with this and say, okay, look, ChatGPT, don't include any stars, don't include dashes or anything like that, right? And dashes, if you want to say. That's really up to you. Just try and test it. Make sure you're getting the responses you want, the ebooks you want out of this, and you should be good to go, right? So yeah, amazing. Third module then, ebook template. Essentially, we're just getting the value, using that as our title. You can go ahead and create certain templates in Google Docs. So that's what I've done here. Ebook title being the top, and then you can obviously link it back. I might do another video on how you can do that, but it's not too important. If you really want to, I'll do a video on that. But yeah, then you got content, then title, and everything like that. You can put it all into a folder, ebooks created. That's what my document location's at. But yeah, other than that, mess around with it, play with it, see what works for you, and hopefully that was useful for you guys. You guys can see how you can go about creating these ebooks, creating certain resources. It doesn't have to essentially be an ebook. It could be like a game plan or anything of the sort, right? Whatever's useful for your audience, whatever's useful for yourself, go ahead and make it. But yeah, other than that, as I said, hopefully that was useful, and I will see you guys in the next one.